Why is this happening?
Second time in a row I've been asked that, at least. No, I have no idea.
Are these alarms up to standard?
They, as far as I'm aware, everything's up to code.
All right. Well, our school's code.
School's definitely not up to code.
Sue them for it.
Everything's broken at school, but everything here's working just fine. Yeah.
Freezing.
Yeah, who was the one vaping in the bathroom? That's the most likely cause for this. Oh boy. What time is it? It is 1:24. Oh, what are your thoughts on this very cold day fire alarm?
Freezing.
I'm gonna have to censor that.
I should have worn pants today.
That would have been a smart move.
Yeah.